Welcome to part 31 of Adobe Illustrator Zero to Hero Complete course. In this video, we will learn about graphic styles in Adobe Illustrator. A graphic style is a set of reusable appearance attributes. Graphic styles allow you to quickly change the looks of an object. You can apply graphic styles to objects, groups, and layers. Use the Graphic Styles panel by going to Windows and Graphic Styles. At first use, the panel lists a default set of graphic styles. To see any style more clearly, right-click on the style thumbnail in the Graphic Styles panel. To apply a graphic style, select an object. Now you can select any style from the Graphic Styles panel. You can save your own graphic style and also you can delete these styles. But here comes the interesting part, which is this graphic style library. Graphic style libraries are a collection of preset graphic styles. When you open a graphic style library, it appears in a new panel, not the graphic styles panel. You can select items in a graphic style library the same as you do in the graphic styles panel. You can edit the graphic style of an object by going to Window and then choose Appearance panel. In the next video, we will learn this appearance panel in full detail. That's all in our part 31 of Adobe Illustrator Zero to Hero Complete course, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you want to master in Adobe Illustrator. By the way, if you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. This course is especially designed for those who are brand new to Adobe Illustrator. It covers everything in full detail. Link is given in the description and first comment. That's all for today. See you in part 32.